This beauty is a Michael Kors Jet Set laptop bag, and it is just awesome. So I am a UK 8'10", about 5'4". That's about the size of it. It does come with a Michael Kors dust bag. Let me talk you through the bag. So Michael Kors on the front, and it comes with the Michael Kors luggage charm as well. It's got 4 buckles, 2 on the front, 2 on the back, and each of those buckles do have Michael Kors on them. We'll have a go and see if it will focus for you. So that's on all 4 of them. Let's show you the base. Okay, and the back. Let's show you the back. Okay, so inside, it's Michael Kors, so obviously it's pocket Tastic. There are 3 main sections: the front, the centre section, and the back. We'll start at the back. We have got 1 zipped pocket here, 2 flat pockets, and the key fob, which I know isn't called a key fob, still don't know what it's called, the thing that you can put your keys on. The centre pocket has a zip top closure, huge cavernous space, and both sides of this are padded. So this is where you can put your laptop or your tablet or whatever, and it will keep it super safe while you travel. The front pocket has got a massive pouch pocket really, and then it's got, if I spin it round, you've got 2 flat pockets, and all of it is lined in the pale Michael Kors logo fabric, so easy to see and get your things out of. Condition wise, it's in really good condition. So the hardware is in excellent condition. The exterior and interior we've called very good. Nothing wrong with it, just signs that it has been stored or it's been perhaps used once. So I just couldn't bring myself to call it excellent, but there's nothing wrong with it. It's in incredible condition. So there is a link in the comments below to this on our website. It will take you directly to the product page. Whilst you're on the website, if you sign up to our newsletter, we will send you a discount code for 10% off your next purchase, your first purchase. And also down below there is a link to Instagram. Follow us on Instagram and you'll be able to get regular updates of the Armcandy bounty that we're getting in.